fishing in the creek for some rock bass, and I got this thing on it. Don't know what that is, but I don't think we're gonna catch anything. We're gonna fish for 4 or 5 minutes and see if we can catch anything. Alright, y'all, we're gonna cast out. I ain't got no weight on, so it's gonna be kind of hard. And there's a bunch of leaves. Alright guys, we didn't catch anything. We need to come back when it's more like calmed down. It's like the water's like moving a lot, and yeah, there's a bunch of leaves.